Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by finding which Python you will remove. Use which Python 3, which Python, and brew list or pyenv versions to tell system versus user installs. Once located, back up any virtualenvs, pip freeze requirements, and personal scripts so you can restore them later. Make sure to open terminal and confirm you have sudo access. If not, authenticate now. This avoids accidentally deleting the Mac OS managed interpreter that some system tools rely on. Now, proceed to remove the user-level installations first. You will now remove non-system Python copies. For homebrew, run brew uninstall Python at 3. X and check /usr/local/seller or /opt/homebrew/seller for remnants, delete them if present. For pyenv, run pyenv uninstall version and remove /. Pyenv, along with shim entries in your shell config. Next, deactivate virtual environments and delete their folders, plus pips apps via pips uninstall. While doing this, update path in your shell files so orphaned references won't break future shells. Once done, reboot or resource your shell. Finish by removing framework installs only if you intentionally installed them. Sudo rm ref/library/framework/python. Framework and delete /applications/python-x. Y if present. Then clean pip caches and orphan symlinks in /usr/local/bin or /opt/homebrew/bin, removing Python, Python 3, pip, and pip3 links that point to removed installs. Make sure you do not remove /usr/bin/python, which is system managed. Troubleshooting tip. If deletion fails, verify path order.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.